Greetings, beloved Rainbow Warrior family. How are you? Beloved bird tribe, whoever is out there that is into spiritual awakening. Because today I want to talk to you about timelines and choice points and kind of dispel the myths that spiritual awakening is all love and light, even though we really try as hard as we can to make it be that way. It really, sometimes it can become really challenging. And what I've noticed, my first journey of awakening, my first phase, I would say, would be the 2012 cycle, where these waves of ascension would bring us into just greater and deeper lessons of shadow work and allowing ourselves to completely fragment in order to be rebuilt. And that's kind of the essence of what I want to offer today, is that sometimes we need to fragment in order to be, like, spirit actually, like some of the pattern and the lesson and the beauty and the horror of this awakening life is the fact that there's so many different phases. There are phases of exaltation, but there's also the phase of the void and the unknown, and facing our shadows and owning trauma that we have never processed before. And sometimes that can be very dark and very challenging and very fragmenting. And what I notice is that there are these energies and there are these little choice points in the world. There are times where all of us collectively, those of us who are attuned to energy, feel like, oh my God, there is chaos happening right now. It's like the patterns are shifting, the pieces are shifting. People are making choices and decisions that are taking them from one choice point to a different one. And this is timeline shifts. And timeline shifts are so intense and insane, and they just, you can feel, if you're a little bit conscious, if you're a little bit aware, if you're a little bit psychic, you can actually feel like, if I go down this path and this portal, my life will change this way. This is one road, one vibration. If I go down another path, there's a whole different life that I will lead. And so which choice do I make? And we can get really neurotic and kind of get really intense about making the right choice, knowing ultimately that there are kind of no right choices, and that but discernment, no matter that we get lessons on both, discernment of what our soul is really truly here to be in service to, and discernment of the quietude of the heart, and like listening to the birds, listening to the signs, but also being with yourself, and what is the medicine of our innermost being. So just breathe that in for a moment. What is your soul wanting you to decide? Because what I found in my experience is that it's not what the ego thinks it wants. It's not the easy road. It's not the shiny object. Sometimes our soul wants us to have lessons that are quiet and internal. Because the value that the soul has is not the value of the material world. It's actually, it's quite opposite. So the inner game becomes more important. And so my blessing to all of you who are watching this is that you discern, that we all teach, listening to our heart. As all of these parts and pieces and crashes and these waves of ascension and things break down in us, to be rebuilt and repatterned. Aho. May you be blessed. If you like this video, please subscribe wherever you're seeing it. If you want to work with me one-on-one, I do take a few clients, so you can reach out to me via my website or comment below and let me know wherever you're seeing this video. I'm sending all my love to you and whatever timelines you choose to weave your way through. Aho.